Welcome back to
And I also play!
I'm Anna and she's
Ava!
And today we are opening a glow-in-the-dark dinosaur mystery box. There are 12 eggs included in each kit, and you can discover a different dinosaur in each egg. So here's a closer view of what the box looks like. Here's what the back looks like. So these are all of the different dinosaurs you can get. We'll show it on our side cam. So it looks like you could get a lot of dinosaur names I cannot pronounce. Ava, do you think you can pronounce all of these?
This one's
Yeah.
Bronchosaurus, Triceratops.
Drop it down. Ooh, I want the plesiosaur. Hopefully we get one of these. Oh, I think
I want the Bronchosaurus.
One of the dinosaurs glow in the dark. Hopefully we can find the one that glows in the dark.
Mine glows in the dark.
So I'm assuming we're both going to get 6, but so it comes with 12 dinosaur eggs, 12 chisels and brushes, 1 dinosaur classification guide, and assorted glow-in-the-dark dinosaur stickers with adhesive strips. So, do you just want to go ahead and start the opening?
Yes. So, guys, I never opened this.
Okay, so this is, the package did get a little shaked up, but, so it comes with this. Hang on. Some chisels, it looks like.
Let me show you where the eggs
Oh, here is the fluorescent toys, and then it kind of just shows you where they can go. So let's go ahead and put these to the side for now.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the classification guide. So we can read this once we get each dinosaur. Ooh, our order has been randomly selected to receive a free gift. So let's go ahead and do that later on. So soak dinosaur egg in water to allow it to soften.
We need some water, guys. Look like when it's not in water, it's wrapped so they don't crack, I think. I never open one of these. I just want to open them like all of them. So we make sure you like and subscribe.
Finally back with our bowl of water. So let's put this hot bowl of water to the side. I made it hot so hopefully it'll soften faster to speed up the process. Step 2. On top of a newspaper or paper towel, we don't need either of those because we're fine. Use the chisel and brush to carefully break apart the egg and brush away the smaller pieces. And then step 3, look at the classification guide and classify your dinosaur. So, which eggs do you want? Okay, so you can choose 6 eggs. I'm going to choose this one. Yep, we both get 6. So these are the eggs I'm going to be hatching.
And these are the eggs I'm hatching.
Those are Ava's eggs. Oops, careful, don't move the table. Okay, so we're going to open one of Ava's eggs first.
This one. I think there are Bronchosaurus inside.
Hopefully you get your dream dino. So let's just go ahead and open this plastic up. Let's go ahead and put Ava's first egg in the water. You can go ahead and do the honors. We're going to double team it actually. Let's only do one at a time. So it says for about 3 minutes. So let's just actually go ahead and do 2 at a time. So Ava's is on this side and mine will be on another side.
It's
just that way this process can go a lot faster. Let's just go ahead and put mine in there next. So it does get your hands a little dusty. So while we wait for this, yeah. So let's go ahead and open up these. So this is like the chisel, it looks like.
I'm going to hold on to the brushes.
And then these are the brushes, so that way.
Yeah. In case there are dirts inside, maybe
so
we can.
Let's read.
I think they're dusting off the dirt and the bowl.
So let's read the instructions one more time. So we chisel it and brush it away. So we're just gonna do it on the table because tables are easy to clean off, guys. You don't really need a paper towel unless you're like super clean, but are we really clean all the time? Yeah. Are we? Because I'm pretty sure. Okay, whatever. Remember, guys, you can always try this at home. I'm pretty sure these kits are on Amazon and probably at like Target or something. So when did you get this kit, Ava?
I got it from Christmas, guys. You want it, you ask your mom or dad for permission in case you do a science experiment.
Yeah, make sure to ask your parents before doing it. Let's go ahead and start chiseling. I don't know what chiseling means, actually. I don't know how we're supposed to chisel with these.
I think you're just supposed to brush them. And then
No, maybe you don't just brush them. You gotta stab them super hard like this.
The table is getting messy, guys.
It's okay to get a little messy every once in a while. Woo!
Mine is
Get
hard.
into it. Quick, quick, quick. So I did not use that brush at all. I'm just saying. So now let's go ahead. This is the dinosaur I got. So let's go ahead and rinse them off. Rinse them off.
You help me with mine.
Yeah, 1 second. So this is my dinosaur. Dinosaur number 1 out of 6.
I need a napkin.
So guys, watch how fast I'm about to do Ava's.
I need a napkin.
Ava does not like her stuff getting dirty, so
Just gonna
I did not
wipe
expect
my
it to
chair.
get this dirty. So this might.
Now the water's brown, so everyone is going to get dirty.
Ooh. So Ava, if you'd like, you can go. Actually, let's stay here with the napkin. Woo. Look at how dirty my hands got. That is so gross. I feel like a real archaeologist. You know what? I'm just gonna start breaking him up. I don't know if that's the glow in the dark one yet. Well, Ava's dinosaur
It's green.
came with no head.
Yes, it did.
Girl, I don't think it has a head. Oh yeah, it does. So we'll check our classifications after. So
I'm
here's
gonna break
Ava's
these.
dinosaur, y'all. Okay, we're not gonna be able to clean this up. This is so gross, guys. It feels so weird. So I'm gonna kind of rinse my hands off in the brown water. So let's go ahead and do egg number 2. Hopefully one of us gets a glow in the dark one. I think in every single kit there will be a glow in the dark one, but who knows? Because everything can always be
Wait,
different.
we shouldn't test. We shouldn't see. We shouldn't turn off the lights until.
We'll test them at the end, okay? So that's Ava's egg.
Let me just roll it around so it gets.
We're not gonna leave it in as long, I think, because the water is super hot, right, Ava?
Yeah.
And there's my egg. Ooh. Okay, let's just take our eggs out now, since we know how easy it is to. I think we're supposed to do cold or lukewarm water. Hold it, Ava. So you gotta chisel it. Don't use that. You gotta chisel it like this. Watch. You gotta stab it super hard, okay? This one's gonna be a bit difficult because we didn't leave it in as long. Girl, you just gotta go ham. Be like, I want that glow in the dark dinosaur.
I want that gun.
I want that good dinosaur.
Be more just put it on the table and do it.
I want that dino.
My dinosaur, I got a second one, and it's another red one. Ava's only getting green dinosaurs. And I'm only getting red dinosaurs so far.
Maybe because we're on different teams, thanks to eggs.
Yeah. So these are my 2 dinos. Dinosaur 1, dinosaur 2. So, oh wow, Ava, this is happening. Okay. Do you want me to help you? Come on. Ava! I'm about to get your dinosaur. No! If I'm gonna keep the glow in the dark dinosaur if I get it. Ava, stop getting my clothes dirty!
I like my hands messy. Don't get my shirt dirty.
Don't get your shirt dirty. I should get your shirt dirty. Anyway, Ava, stop! Okay, stop for real.
Okay. I'll just touch this mud.
No, keep that mud away from you. We're gonna move on to egg number 3, also known as egg number 6 in total. So we're about halfway done with our dino eggs. You're going to take your egg out and start chiseling. You want a different chisel, a new one?
Yeah.
You want a new brush as well?
I'm gonna keep my
This
egg
is probably why it
longer.
came with 12, because
I'm gonna.
take your egg out so we can move on fast. So ready, guys? I'm about to go ham. Woo! Oh
a
wow,
little bit warm.
that hatched really fast. Oh my gosh, what if this is the glow in the dark one? I got Ava's favorite. It's okay. I might give it to you.
Okay.
You don't get me dirty again, you little poopy. Yeah. Ooh. she got the dinosaur I wanted. And maybe at the end of this video, we'll trade dinosaurs.
Actually, I want to give it to you.
We'll trade it later, okay? At the end of the video, we might do a little trading thing. I'm gonna go ahead and start on mine.
You beat me.
Since we know Ava's is a tad bit slower because she's a little less efficient with her eggs than I am.
Because I want to melt faster, so I want to keep it more in there and sprinkle some water in there.
Yeah, so you guys are supposed to wait 3 minutes, but to speed up the process, we really haven't been waiting 3 minutes for it to boil. Or not boil, but get soaked. Wow, definitely should have waited for this one. One of my favorite outfits. I did not expect it to get there. I got the dinosaur. Remember, we're gonna do trading at the end. I think it's the glow-in-the-dark one. I don't know.
I want the glow-in-the-dark dino!
Oh, there's no saving my hands, guys. This means war. Ooh, Ava got this dino.
Wait, I see.
Sure dino.
I want you. I can kick you with my own bomb.
She's a little weird. Ready, set, go!
I want that glow-in-the-dark dino! I'm going to win it! You and me, play base!
So that's what I got. We'll dust them all off later. It might have been a smart idea to roll up these sleeves. Everything's washable though. Girl,
I'm
stop!
massaging you with mud.
With mud? I've never heard of that before. I've seen mud baths or something. Okay, Ava's second to last one. And now, for the final 2 eggs. My eggs should be about ready. Ava's might need a few more. So I'm gonna start going ham. and
More
chiseling.
mud. Will you put more water in there? Because they're not enough water.
What's our last egg?
You really want this? I'd be a glue in the dark.
Okay, now go ham. Okay, guys, so these were my final dinosaur, my other dinosaurs. So these are all of my dinos.
You crack it. It looks like a straw right
1 second.
Look,
So these are all of my dinosaurs. And guess what, guys? I got the glow-in-the-dark dino. So let's go ahead and open Ava's last one. I doubt there's gonna be a second
You want me to
glow-in-the-dark.
pour some water on you?
No.
Make sure you pour water on your brothers and sisters.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so then these were Ava's dinos. So I did end up getting the glow-in-the-dark one, but we're gonna do a dino trade. So Ava, I will give you the glow-in-the-dark dinosaur for your swimming dinosaur.
Yeah.
So we could look at the classifications, but
We're
We're kind
the glow in the dark.
kind of muddy right now.
Going up.
You want your Bronchiosaurus?
Yeah.
Can I have a Stegosaurus?
Yeah.
Actually, I want to try Ceratops. So, boom. So in case you guys couldn't tell, we would be doing the classification thing, but we're a little muddy.
I'm going from what you don't subscribe right now.
Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, love!